Many of you may wonder how to keep your space clean. Although sometimes the only solution to making your space a little bit less cluttered is a huge decluttering session, I believe that these tips can be very useful if you're already on the minimalism path and you're trying to make your home stay clutter-free. Well, at least they help me. Storage boxes and baskets in every room. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I love baskets because you can just throw things into there and your space will feel a lot more clean. You know why? Because a bunch of different objects spread around the room look a lot more messy than if the same objects were just in one place covered by, nice cover of a basket. And this basket would cover all the variety of objects that you have and they will not look that messy, because this way you can make many objects just one object. It makes messy space a clean space, and also it's very easy to just throw things into the basket and forget about it, and voila, your space is clean. The second thing that I like is keeping surfaces clean. Surfaces are just magnets for different stuff we have. And if we just keep the surfaces clean, our mind will subconsciously not want to put something there again to make it a lot messier. So if you have just a few spare minutes at work or maybe just during your day off, just prioritize the surfaces and make them clean first. After that, your room will look a lot cleaner and you will have more motivation to continue cleaning. So prioritizing empty surfaces can make a huge difference in how it looks and how it feels and how long it stays clean. Number 3 is share responsibilities. I'm a huge advocate for equal distribution of work in families. At first, it felt scary, it felt embarrassing, I'll be honest with you. But in the end, it was very freeing to just ask, to just talk about who does what, who can clean more, who can cook more, and all the rest of the things that you share at home. Saying, please wash the dishes can take just a few seconds, but it can make a huge difference in not only in your relationships, but also in the quality of life that the look of your home creates. Number 4, wash your bathroom surfaces every single morning. I found this tip, I think it came to my mind when I was reading the book by Regina Leeds, 8-Minute Organizer, and I've been following this tip for a while now. I think it's just precious. I wake up, I every morning have a wash, brush my teeth. For some reason, I don't question these actions, I just do them every morning without even thinking. So why not include in this combination of actions one more? Cleaning your space in the bathroom, just wiping the surfaces. Also, I already have the piece of cloth and also the spray in my bedroom, so I don't have to look around for them. And after I just do the morning procedures, I clean the surfaces at my bathroom. And it's so important for such a, dirt-related room to be clean and to feel clean every single day that this tip actually saved my bathroom. I think it takes only 30 seconds to a minute. And if I miss a day because I forgot or maybe I was lazy or something, it's fine because then the next day comes, and the next day I also have this habit to clean my surfaces, so I just do it the next day. Making this a habit made a huge difference in my journey to being a tidy person. Number 5, make your bed. I feel like our brain works the following way. If your space is cluttered and dirty, your brain will not want to keep it clean. It will just want to continue maintaining it this way. But if your space is clean and clutter-free, you will have this subconscious motivation to keep it this way, to keep it clean. So you just, stop for a moment before you throw a piece of clothes on the chair, because the chair is empty in the first place. How this all is connected to our beds? Well, beds take up a lot of space in our rooms. They are very visible, they're very very big object. If you make your bed before your day starts, you set up this intention of being a clean and tidy person in the beginning of the day, so you continue with this same intention, go through the rest of your day. And also, as this object is so big, it will immediately change the perception of the room just being made. I know a lot of people like to give their beds the opportunity to breathe, before you make your bed, and I kind of do the same, I think, because I wake up, I go have a wash, I do yoga, and only after that I make my bed. So I think all these little bugs can have time to run from my bed, and we just don't let this nasty sweat from our nasty human bodies be sucked up into our sheets. Tidy during your work breaks. The best way to make a break at work is not go to TikTok, not go to check your Instagram page, but to switch your mental work to your physical work, or vice versa. But I think that most of us now do the mental work. Tell me if I'm wrong, but in this case, this tip would be very useful. At least every hour of your work, you need to have at least 5 minutes of breaks. Because first of all, when your mind is rested, it works a lot better. It is more productive. Second of all, you'll have these 5 minutes to do something really short, something really quick at your home, and you will mentally rest because it's a physical work versus the mental that you do at work. So you just go and maybe vacuum your carpet or wash the dishes or put the little things in the basket. So if you work from home, don't forget to take breaks from your mental work to take care of your space where you live in. As a result, you have a rested mind and you have a clean space. 7. Spray and cloth for every room. Keep your spray and cloth in multiple spaces in your home so that whenever you spot a stain or a meter layer of the dust on some surface, you don't have to think that, oh, I'll do this later because my cloth and spray is in the bathroom or somewhere else. Because you have it right there, right in this room. You have no excuse now not to take it and take up 30 seconds to wipe the things down. Number 8. Half a year, declutter. If you find an object that you haven't used for about 6 months or more, take 5 minutes to consciously decide the destiny of that object. Whether it needs to be decluttered or if it needs to have their own home, you need to decide it right now. It will take a few minutes, but it will make a huge difference. And if you finally decide that you still have to declutter this stuff, follow the next tip. Number 9. Decluttering basket in the hall. When you declutter something, it's a huge mistake to let it sit with you for a long time. It's better to get rid of it immediately. When you struggle with it, just place a basket in your hall, just in your front door next to it, so that every time you trip over this basket, you will have another reminder to finally get rid of it, and you will have more motivation to do so. Number 10. Clean your kitchen while you are cooking. Whether you do some pancakes or a sandwich, just wash everything that gets dirty immediately. And before you start eating your meal, wash everything that is not used for eating. And when you're done with your meal, right away take your plate and wash it, and let everybody in your family do the same. This way, as you do this along the way, you will not even feel that it's a chore. And as everybody does the same, both cleans up to themselves, which is very logical to do, it's a lot more fair, and this way you will keep your space a lot more clutter-free. 11. Clothes have to be in the closet, in the hall, or laundry basket. 3 places your clothes can be. Well, of course, everybody's different and these places may vary, but anyway, your clothes just have to have a limited set of places where it can be stored. Otherwise, it will be just spreading around your room and around your home and take over your place. If your clothes right now is not in the closet, in the hall, or in the laundry basket, just stand up and put your piece of clothes where it has to be stored, in one of these 3 places: hall, laundry basket, and the closet. Do it. Yeah, right now. Stand up and do it. I'll wait. Okay, you're done? Okay, let's continue. 12. Homes for the things have to be in the places where these things are used. Often our stuff gets spread around our condo just because their homes are too far from the places where they are actually used. Of course, our brain thinks, I'm not going to hide it right now because I'm gonna use it here, so... And we are too lazy in the end to place an object to where it belongs. And it continues laying somewhere in a visible spot and clutter your space. If the home of your hand cream is in the bathroom, but you use it usually just before you go to bed, then your cream shouldn't be in the bathroom. It should be next to your bed, so that you take it, you use it, you put it back. This way, it's a lot easier to maintain your space clutter-free because places where you hide things and where you store things are right when they are used. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. I got the Patreon page here if you want to join, just be sure you can afford it. And this is the video that I filmed before, which is about the purchases that I totally regret in my life. And this is very fun, so I recommend to go and watch it and have a good day. Bye.